Katatapos lang na ating rehearsal. Apaka-init! Let's go! Okay, we're at the show na. May kasama akong bulinggit. Hello po. Bia, is this your first time watching Mommy? Bia, are you excited? Oh, careful. Careful lang. Here, go inside natin. You can play now. Wow! Look at this room. This room is for Mommy's event. Sinab Harake. Who's your mommy? Who's your mommy? Pasabog yung mga tent ha. Gibsong ko. Masarap ha? Ay!
Pasabog!
Grabe yung rejuvenating mo, sis.
Blush on na yan.
Ay, blush on na. Boom, mukha.
Oo, sis, blush on yan.
Gusto ko din magpasalamat sa aking Team Sebi. Alam nyo, sobrang overwhelmed yung pagsusupport nila sa akin. Kapag may ganitong mga event ako, nag-aarkila pa ako ng extra van para sa kanila. Dahil apakadami na po namin, guys. Ayan! Hi, guys! Si Bia mamaya, birthday niya na at 12. Yeah. Kaya oh, let's sing for Bia. Advance happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Bia! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bia! Yun lang, wala siya sa mood.
Kasi nga hindi niya pa birthday ni, wala pang alas 12. Wala pang emosyon.
Patay ka. Nagmamaldita na. Ang kaugali mo, madam. Pinapakita niya lang, ako ang batang ikaw. Pero, what? Adaga. Smile! Show your teeth! Happy birthday later, mahal ko! Mag-show na may
Okay, say good luck, Mommy!
Good luck, Mom! Come on! Thank you for supporting Mommy!
Good luck, Mommy! Good luck! Good luck, sis! Go! You can do it!
Dahil dyan,
Sinab Harake! rehearsal kasi wala pang tao. Noong pagdating namin dito, madaming tao. So please, pakiintindi na lang po, pandemic review po kasi eh. So ayan, on behalf of her, maraming salamat po sa pagkanta nyo and sa pagbati po.
Thank you then for bringing her to everybody. May mahal na mahal nila, ikaw at mahal na mahal nila si Bia. So, meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa kanila? Anything that you want to say to them?
Maraming salamat po. Please, mag-pray po tayo palagi and may God be with us all the time. Yun lang po. Thank you very much.
Bawal na po.
Thank you for coming up. I love you. You want Ata Mommy?
Oh, let mommy drink water first, okay?
Drink water lang si Mommy, okay?
It's okay, mommy.
We have money now, Mommy. We have money now. It's okay, Mommy. We have money now. Ganda lang, pagod na.
Pasabog ko sa heavy mo.
Ay, oo nga. Ang laki lang ng tiyan ko, tignan dahil sumikip. After mo mag-show, padede ka. After mo magmaganda doon, magpa-sexy doon, back to nanay. Dede. Hirap kumita ng pera. Sino ko na nga kanina, may pang-birthday yung anak ko bukas. Clap sa money. Oh, that's it.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
You got Mommy. Okay, come here daw. Slap it dyan. What color is this?
Red.
This one.
Orange.
No. What color is this? This one. What color is this?
Green.
This one? Yellow. Yellow. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? I got you. I got you. Are you going to blow the candle? Yes? Yeah, you have cupcake with a cherry. Yeah, because your big cake is on your birthday pa tomorrow. Bakit kami nag-i-stay? Kasi ayoko mag-birthday sa lubong siya ng nasabad. So may 15 minutes pa tayo. Inaantay ko lang para ma-blow niya yung candle and cupcake. Wala tayong cake pa talaga, but it's okay. Bawi tayo sa 20 na yung sa birthday niya. Bawi tayo sa birthday party niya mismo. Okay. To sing for you, happy birthday, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Blow your candle. Come on. I'm gonna blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. Mommy's gonna blow your cake. Wishing you a very, very good health. I love you so much, baby. Yay! Birthday, Bia! Meme na to. Rekta na. Oh, let's go home na. Good night na si birthday girl. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Antok na talaga siya. It's okay. Sleep na. Oh, Daddy's gonna sing with us. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Bia. Happy birthday, Bia. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bia.
Nope.
Ginagawa mo?
Oh. Yay!
Hi, vlog. We are gonna pick up Daddy. We're going to pick up Daddy.
Yes, we're going to pick up Daddy. It's
Yes.
Bia.
Birthday! Later, guys. Birthday!
Yeah.
Guys, we are going to Bia's birthday.
Yeah. So ngayon, we're gonna pick up Daddy lang muna sa airport. Diyos ko, nag-iiyak tong isa. Kasi talagang gusto niya sumama. Sabi ko mag-beauty rest. Ito namang isa, nagising. Sakto maaga natulog ang Kuya Lucas ko dahil good boy talaga ang time sleep nito. Ito lang eh. Talagang nagising siya sa oras ng paalis na ako.
2 days.
Yeah.
Umiyak siya.
2 days umiyak siya. 2 days siya. Huwag ka madaldal. 2 days umiiyak si Bia kasi ayun nga, siguro excited din siya makita si daddy rin niya. Sobrang cute na cute. So anyway, mamaya yung birthday party ni Bia sa Tagaytay. Susunduin lang namin si Ray. Tapos uwi kami ng bahay para lang ibalik yung gamit niya and mag-rest ng konti. Tapos punta na kami ng Tagaytay. So ito pa yung before ng birthday party ni Bia sa mga nakapanood na. Sa mga hindi pa, ito yung vlog. Panoorin niyo yung birthday party. So ito yung behind the scene nun. Another behind the scene! Who's excited to pick up daddy?
Me!
Are you excited to see daddy?
Opo.
Yes. Are you happy na?
Opo.
Ikaw kuya, happy ka?
Opo.
Opo, opo. How many days gonna stay daddy here? No, you're wrong. 2 days.
I want daddy to stay here for 100.
No, not 100 days, but 2 months daddy's gonna stay here in off-season. So malapit na din yun. Kaya lang, umuwi lang talaga siya kasi birthday party nito. And
Bia,
good thing
June.
talaga na talagang nagawa niya ng paraan para makauwi sa birthday nito. Kasi nung birthday ko, di niya nagawa ng paraan. Birthday niya, di niya rin nagawa ng paraan. Ako pa pumunta doon. So ngayon, ganun ka kalakas kay daddy. Daddy loves you so much. Where daddy from?
Japan.
Oh, Japan. Good job, kuya. Good job.
Japan. It's Japan.
Oh, diba?
Kuya,
Yung mga agaw ng sagot. Let's enjoy Tobias' birthday. We're so excited na. So we're gonna pick up lang muna. Biyahe lang kami para hindi nakakasilaw yung ilaw kasi ang sakit sa mata dahil wala pa akong tulog. We'll update you guys. So isa lang masasabi ko.
Arat na!
Hi baby, I can't wait to see you. I just finished my game. I took the train here to Canada and now I'm on the flight because I want to come see you for your special day and celebrate your 3rd birthday with you. I love you, I'm excited to see you. I hope you enjoy your special day. I can't wait to see you, Mommy, Lucas, and yeah, give you a big old hug. I love you so much.
Dahil nandito na kami sa airport, ito na nga.
Nandito na siya. Nakalanded na yung plane.
Yeah,
So guys, we need to cover up because we're not your baby.
Waiting na lang daw sa bagay.
I'm not a baby. You are a baby.
but Kuya still my baby din. Kuya and Bia are my babies.
Mommy, what's color?
You like it?
Sure.
I'm gonna show you my nails here. It's new for your birthday party.
Every day, mommy gets nails done.
Hindi everyday. Grabe ka naman. Every 2 weeks naman. Hindi everyday. Nabuko mo ako. Hindi naman everyday. OA naman yung everyday. Hindi napudpud na yung kalyo ko dahil. Yes, excited to daddy.
Yeah! And kuya.
And mommy. Especially mommy, guys. Before kayo. Ako muna.
But uwi ni daddy, banding muna.
I love you and me.
Dancing in the
Nobody can see.
dancing in the tonight.
Jenny Stan.
Tirin.
Pati mga anak ko, Jenny Stan na. Blackpink.
In your area. Daddy! 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 Daddy!
Birthday!
Hi!
My princess!
Yes. Okay, ano yung camera na? That is gonna go fix na inside. That is gonna Other side.
Other side, wait lang.
I want to go to daddy.
Ayun si daddy.
Thank you.
Just go. Ayun si daddy.
I'm here!
Daddy!
Hi, Kuya.
Hi, daddy and mommy.
I love you guys so much.
Diba? Ako yung wala pang kiss hanggang ngayon. I need a kiss.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, mommy needs a kiss.
Love you.
Love you. O kuya, anong deal? Anong deal? Saan ka uupo? Inausap ko na siya kanina eh. We're gonna sit down, other side, because I need daddy beside mommy. Daddy, umusog ka dito. Malaki yung space. Wag mo akong ano yun ng height mo. I need you. Stress na stress ako.
My lady. Okay?
Sapat ko ako kinikiss ngayon.
You okay, kuya?
Are you happy, kuya?
Papa.
Are you happy Daddy's here for your birthday?
Big hug.
Are you excited later?
Love you.
Yes! Sleep lang kayo konti ha. Then after that, you need to sleep, okay?
Mommy, we're going home, Mommy.
Yeah, we're going home and then you need to sleep. And then after that, when you wake up, we're going to your birthday party!
Are
Yeah!
you excited?
Then we stay here too much.
Oh, mamaya na kayong video-video.
Like a princess?
Hi, guys!
Oh, update kuya. Where's daddy na?
Hi, guys. That's in the Philippines.
Finally made it home with my family. I miss you guys so much.
You can Mommy. Mommy went to Japan with Daddy. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Love you.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
It's video.
Cheese.
Kiss.
Love you, kuya. Love you guys so much.
Ay, Diyos, ay, Diyos, ay, Diyos.